My mom made me bake my own treats. She said it would be a good bonding experience. I bought this for her as a Christmas present, but I'd like to say it's more of a present for me because I get to reap the benefits. Let me restate that I bought this in December, and she's now just making these for me? That is major bogus. Better late than never, I guess, but I hope these don't turn out stale. So she threw some egg and some tuna fish in there. I don't know why my mom does this, but whenever I'm peacefully minding my own business, she comes and grabs me and smothers me with kisses. She also started calling me her little chef, and I have to smell every dish to approve it. I'm trying to watch my figure, so I'll go right for the protein instead of the treats. Look at that, there she goes with the kisses again. Okay, so here's Mom kneading the dough. She rolled it out, and then she tried to have me punch out the little fish. I'm like, Mom, I don't have opposable thumbs. So then she did them all for me. And now it's time for a taste test. Nope, I am not going to eat that. It is now a play toy. Mom was upset that I didn't eat any of my treats, so she tried it for herself and then told me that I was just being picky.